Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be talking to you guys about the French hen in Grey Garden. Basically, you can get it from opening up the Santa's surprise present. Here, as you can see, you can get the French hen. It is an uncommon pet. Basically, Christmas type plants within the pet's range have increased size multiplier. And yeah, that is pretty much it. There's a 15% chance, of you of getting the French hen. I have yet gotten the rest of the rarer pets. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.